Introduction. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things finance and investing. Today, we are going to talk about how to invest and build wealth for the long term. Investing is a key tool in building wealth, but it can be a daunting task for beginners. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to invest and build wealth for the long term. Part 1. Understanding the basics of investing. Before you start investing, it's important to understand the basics. In this part of the video, we will cover the basics of investing, such as what is the stock market, what are stocks, and how to read financial statements. Part 2. Setting goals and assessing risk tolerance. In this part of the video, we will cover the importance of setting investment goals and assessing your risk tolerance. We will provide you with tips on how to set goals and assess your risk tolerance to create an investment plan that is aligned with your financial goals. Part 3. Choosing a brokerage firm. Choosing a brokerage firm is an important step in investing. In this part of the video, we will discuss how to choose a brokerage firm, what to look for in a brokerage firm, and the different types of brokerage accounts. You can open your Demat account in Grow, Zerodha, Files, link in description. Part 4. Creating a diversified portfolio. Creating a diversified portfolio is key to successful investing. In this part of the video, we will cover how to create a diversified portfolio, including the importance of asset allocation, how to choose stocks, and how to balance risk and reward. Part 5. Monitoring your portfolio and avoiding emotional decisions. Monitoring your portfolio is crucial to successful investing. In this part of the video, we will cover how to monitor your portfolio, when to make changes, and how to avoid emotional decisions when making investment decisions. Part 6. Be patient and consider professional advice. Investing is a long-term strategy, and it requires patience and discipline. In this part of the video, we will discuss the importance of being patient and sticking to your investment plan. We will also provide tips on when to consider seeking professional advice. In conclusion, investing can be a powerful tool in building wealth for the long term. By understanding the basics of investing, setting goals and assessing risk tolerance, choosing a brokerage firm, creating a diversified portfolio, monitoring your portfolio, avoiding emotional decisions, and being patient, you can improve your chances of success in the stock market. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.